Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this updated tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of deleting a video on YouTube using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC. Step 2. Go to the guide indicated by 3 lines icon and sign into YouTube Studio. Step 3. From the left menu, select Content. Step 4. Point to the video you'd like to delete and select More, represented by 3 dots icon. Step 5. From the options that appear, select Delete Forever. Step 6. Check the box to acknowledge that your video will be permanently deleted. Step 7. Finally, select Delete Forever to confirm the deletion. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete a video on YouTube using your PC. That's it. You've successfully learned how to delete a video on YouTube using your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.